All right, everyone. Good morning. We are going to go into the next lesson right now. In the drive folder, we're going to go into the next chapter, I should say. Chapter 3 in the drive folder. And we're going to go to the next lesson, which is actually lesson 3.2. It's called Relations and Functions. It's highlighted there on the screen. Please download that. We're going to send it to Notability, and we're going to work through this lesson file together. We'll probably break it up into 2 or maybe 3 videos. And I'm just going to basically teach you how to do all these lessons through these screencasts, okay? So please download that file, 3.2, Relations and Functions. I'll give you a minute. The do now is just a review of plotting points in the coordinate plane. You could try this do now on your own time. It's pretty easy. Just plot the points. Remember, this is quadrant 1, this is quadrant 2, this is quadrant 3, and this is quadrant 4. Recall how to plot the coordinates. Everyone should be okay with that, I would think. We'll just do point A together. -2, 3 means 2 to the left and 3 up. So point A would be right there. And then you would label it with an A. So you could do points B, C, D, and E on your own. Okay, so a relation is a set of ordered pairs. And remember, an ordered pair is just an X, comma, Y. It's a point that you would plot in the coordinate plane. So if you have a bunch of them, that is a relation. Okay, so now we have several ways of displaying ordered pairs. We could just list them out. We could put them in a table. We could put them on an actual graph, or we have what's called a mapping. And we're just going to do a quick example of each one right now. And that'll probably be it for this first video. So creating a list of ordered pairs to represent how much tickets would cost for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 people. So it says tickets at a movie theater cost $10 per person, right? So create a list of ordered pairs to represent how much the tickets would cost for all these different groups of people, or sets of people, numbers of people. So the list of ordered pairs would just be 1, 10, right? Because if you have one person, then it would cost $10. You have 2, 20. You have 3, 30. It just goes up $10 each time because it's $10 per person. 4, 40, and 5, 50. Now you'll see relations written with these squiggly brackets. That's not a good one. A squiggly bracket represents a set of things. So if we have all these ordered pairs, these 5 ordered pairs inside those squiggly brackets, that is a set. In other words, that is a relation. Okay? We could also put all these values into a table, an XY table, right? It says create a table. So 1, 10, 2, 20, 3, that was sloppy, 3, 30, 4, 40, and 5, 50. Okay? So we did the list, we did the table, now we'll do a graph. Graph is very simple, obviously. Just plot them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to use 10s for my Y scale, because we won't be able to fit these points on a graph if we're going up by 1s, right? Because we have to get all the way up to 50. So 1, 10. 1, 10. 2, 20, 3, 30, 4, 40, and 5, 50. That is our graph. And then the last thing you will see in this lesson is called a mapping. A mapping is very simple. It's kind of like a table, except you have arrows So like all the x's are here, all the y's are here. So the x's are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The y's are 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. And then you use arrows. So 1 goes with 10, 2 goes with 20, 3 goes with 30, 4 goes with 40, and 5 goes with 50. And that is your mapping. Okay? We'll stop this first video there, and then we'll continue with the rest of the notes on another video.